reminder that a higher dimension isn't an alternative to this. Dimensions are just a measurement of space. 1 dimension is length, 2 is length and height, and 3 is length, height, and width. That's why we are in the 3rd dimension, because we take up those 3 layers. And each dimension is a kind of 90-degree turn from the lower dimension. So think of it like you have a line, you take a 90-degree turn, so you have a square, and if that square is on a piece of paper and you take a 90-degree turn from that, you have a cube, like a physical cube. So the 4th dimension would be a 90-degree turn out of this reality, which we don't even know what that would look like. Mathematically speaking, there are infinite dimensions. But as far as physics and movies go, we don't know if there's a higher spatial dimension that we could like move through. Our dimension would be in there, just like a square makes up a cube, but it's not like an alternate universe where you're married to Keanu Reeves. It's just a bigger place. A tennis ball has more surface area than a circle on a piece of paper because it's taking up more space. So a being in 4 dimensions would probably be huge because it's taking up more space. But since our eyes are 3D objects, we actually wouldn't be able to see it all anyway. Take a tesseract, for example. In order for this to truly be a 4-dimensional object, all of these corners would have to be 90 degrees. Not like narrow like this. And all of the sides would have to be squares, not these like trapezoid things. But this is what happens when you try to bring a higher dimensional object down. It gets all distorted because it's getting shaved down. So even if we were capable of going to a higher spatial dimension, we'd be seeing the distorted version of it anyway. But Keanu would probably be there.